Hey guys, so today I got my Sonoline Fetal Doppler in the mail, and this is how it comes. Yeah, it's a pretty nice box. It says smart in size, accuracy of testing, built-in speaker, and easy to operate. So when you open it up, this is what you see. I already used it just to make sure everything works fine. So you have your user manual. You have your Doppler probe, and then I thought I ordered the blue one, but they gave me the pink one, so oh well. And then you have your main unit. And then I took the batteries out so they won't run out. And then it comes with 2 batteries, and then it also comes with a gel. So this was 42 something, some change exactly. It was no tax. It was free shipping from fetaldoppler.net. So that's one of the cheapest I've seen. For $42, and it comes with batteries and gel that you don't have to pay for. Go right ahead and get it from fetaldoppler.net. So the first thing I did when I got it was you just open it up in the back, and then you put your two AA batteries in, and the brand of battery is industrial batteries. That's the brand that they give you. And then it's just an easy open, easy close, no screwdrivers or anything. And then I just plug the probe into the main unit. It's just a USB. So then I'm gonna go over. So it just says fetal, pocket fetal Doppler, and then you can just stick the Doppler right here. This is a 3 megahertz. Because they said that it just sounded better to me, and they said it's easier to pick up for earlier on, but I'm 22 weeks, so it's fine. And then, so you have your power button. I'm just going to turn it off. And then you have your volume. I'm just going to turn it back on. And then you have a light. You can turn it on or off, but I just keep it on. And then you have different modes. I haven't really tried out the modes yet because I just got it. But yeah, and then you have your battery right there. So what you do when you are about to use it, you take the probe, and then some people like to put the gel directly on their abdomen, but I put the gel directly on the probe because I know where he is, because I am further along. But if you were earlier along, and you would have to kind of search because they're really small. But since he's getting up there, the size of a papaya. So, and then you just lay down on your back and you just feel around. He's head down, so his heart is somewhere kind of like near my belly button on the left side. So I just felt around there where I know that he is. And then it also has your headphone jack, just in case you don't want anybody here, or you just want to check really quick, or your husband's tired of you checking and you want to be secretive about it. I don't know. So there are a couple of noises that you would hear, depending on how far along you are and if you know where the baby is or not, or if they're moving. So when I did it, I heard the placenta, which is a swooshing noise. It goes shh, 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 shh. And then right after I heard that, I just moved over a little bit, and then I heard the heartbeat. And the heartbeat is fast. If it's a slow, steady heartbeat, then it's your heartbeat and not the baby's. The baby's heartbeat is a faster, steady heartbeat. And then I heard that you can also hear an artery or something, and then depending on how far along you are, you might feel your baby kick the probe. He likes to kick things whenever they're on me. He doesn't like things on him, so I could hear like a thump, thump, thump. So that's how I knew that I was on him and that it was the heartbeat. So now I'm going to show you how I use it. I just got this today, so I am no pro at it. So if I'm unable to find it, I'm pretty sure I will be, then I will take a break and do it again. So I'm going to go lay down right now, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so what you do is you just lay down on your back just like you would do in a doctor's office. This is good. Okay. Okay, so what you do is you just lay down like you would in the doctor's office. You could pull your shirt up, and some people put a towel right here, but I'm not going to. We're gonna put the gel. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so then what you do is you just turn it on, and I have the light on right there. You take the probe, and I'm just gonna lay this down right there. You do hear when you put stuff on, you can hear it. So I'm just gonna take the gel and apply a pea size. So I'm gonna dry a little bit more just in case I won't be able to find it. And I'm just going to turn it all the way up. You just hear the static, and that's just me moving it. So he's usually on the left side, so I will just put it. And then you just move it slowly. I can hear it, but it's behind another noise. That's the person. Okay. He's kicking. He's kicking right now. He's not one happy. So I can hear it. It's just behind something else. So then when you hear it and it's behind something else, you just want to move it around slowly just to try to get behind that noise. That's him kicking it. So he could have moved. He's kicking really hard. He's mad that this is on him right now. I don't know what that noise was. This maybe because last time I used more gel. So let me just put a little bit more on there. I can totally hear it. So that's the placenta, I believe. This is the part B. He's kicking. Oh, that thumping. That's just him kicking it. I can feel him doing it. So that's swishing away the little vesicles. Okay, son, I'm gonna leave you alone soon. Okay. He doesn't really get upset. Yeah, there it is. And he moved away. So after you find a heartbeat, you want to make sure that you clean the probe off after every single use. So you just clean the probe off and then clean your belly off. But yeah, so that is a review. So I'm going to put the link to fetodoppler.net down below, and if you want or are looking for a fetal Doppler, I think it's a good deal. You get one for 40, it's 42 something, some change exact, and you get free 2-day shipping. Yes, please. So anyway, I'll put the link down below so you can go get you a fetal Doppler, and it comes with the gel and everything. So I think that's really good. So anyway, I will see you probably tomorrow or Friday because I have something to update you guys on. So yeah, ta-ta for now.